in Christianity, there's no place in the Word, in the New Testament, where Jesus or the apostles or any writer of the New Testament condemns culture or speaks bad about culture or says you must lose your culture. Whatever is in your culture which is not of God, yes, of course. But culture in itself, the food, the clothing, the way we dance, the way we sing, the way we get together, how we do festivals, how we, in my case, how we braai around a fire, you know. It doesn't matter what it is. It's beautiful. It's cultural. We should respect it. We should love other cultures. I love cultures. I don't know about you. I love it. I've been to India many times, and I just love the culture. It is absolutely beautiful. And when you look with those eyes of God, the world opens up to you. And so it's beautiful. Embrace it. When you see, you know, we've got that, what is the day that everybody wears that cultural clothing in South Africa? Heritage Day. It's a beautiful day, actually. It's a beautiful day to celebrate your culture. Actually, it's a very godly thing to do. So we have to get our negative eyes, the way we see other cultures. It's not all right. It's not of God to look at another culture and not like it and think negatively about it. The enemy got that into your head. Politicians got that into your head. Satan got that into the church and into the world. It's not of God.